Welcome to the world of CAD Center training. Max for Civil Engineers and Architects is CAD Center's tailor-made course offered as certificate, diploma, professional and master diploma programs. We impart training in 3DS Max's visualization capabilities to create compelling visualizations of a civil engineering project using civil engineering specific materials and content such as road striping, pavement textures, vehicles and signage. The course trains you to do comprehensive 3D modeling, rendering and animation solutions and produce high-quality results. The courses cover Introduction to 3ds Max, Modeling using basic primitives, Modeling using parametric modifiers, Sculpting freeform objects, Applying materials and textures, Lighting features, Particle systems and forces, Setting up environmental effects, Dynamic animation, Walkthrough, 3D professional rendering. Enroll in the Max for Civil Engineers and Architects course of your choice. Visit the nearest CAD Center or log on to www.cadcenter.com.